What's up YouTube, Bismath here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what to do next after you got a contract signed in wholesale real estate. Do you go to the title company first? Do you find a cash buyer? What do you do next? Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below. Thank you all so much for the support of this channel. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And I wish I could have recorded outside, but it's raining and that will interfere with the sound and whatnot. As you all notice, I've been using a mic just for better audio quality. We're just gonna go inside and finish this video. All right, you all, so we're back in the lab and what to do once you get a purchase and sales agreement signed. Now, first of all, congratulations on getting a contract signed. I just recently got an email from one of you all on what to do next. They said that they were about to get a contract signed and they don't know what to do. And so this video is addressing that question, and also, I'm emailing them and going back to forth with them on Instagram. So if you all are interested in any questions, please comment down below on this video. I reply to all of your comments and tell me, what do you all think, or what do you all do next after you have a purchase contract signed down below? Just comment it down below. Now, there are different ways to approach it. To me, the most traditional and best way to do it is right away get that contract to a title company or to your attorney to do a title search. So let's say this property, you got it at a great price and you know it's a deal no matter what. You can go straight to the title company before even finding a cash buyer to make sure there's no mortgages, no liens, nothing on the property that would scare a investor or a cash buyer. So I have a bunch of videos on how to find title companies. I'll probably link one down below, and just look on my different videos on the different selections on how to find the perfect title company for wholesaling real estate. So that's the first, that's one way. And then once you get the title search and it comes clean, or they may owe a little bit of taxes, you can start marketing that to your cash buyers. Looking on your RIA groups, Facebook RIA groups, real estate groups on Facebook, also finding cash sales within your area, and then pulling that data from the internet and contacting different companies and people that bought properties for cash within the past 12 months around the area where your house is. And so, yeah, that's one option. A lot of times though, when I build enough rapport with the seller and I know what kind of seller this is, I know there's no mortgages, and I know they're not lying to me that there's no other liens on the property, I may not even go directly to a title company once I get the contract signed. If I know it's a price, I first kind of gauge it. I market the contract first to see if, number one, if I got it at a good price and if it's a deal for them. And then from there, that's when I actually do an assignment on contract first before even bringing it to a title company. And from there, once I have the purchase and sales agreement and the assignment contract, then that's when I bring it to the title company. Because a lot of time, the title companies, you may be bringing them so much purchase and sales agreement, but never close on most of them. So you don't want to waste their time and you don't want to waste your time. So a lot of times that's one approach that I use. But if you know if it's a smoking hot deal and people are going to be all over this deal, send it first to the title company. There's just been some properties that I had under contract where I just didn't know if it was a deal, so I didn't want to waste the title company's time into doing a title search. So I first marketed the property to my cash buyers and say, hey, is this a deal for you? Do you like this? And if it is, I get the assignment contract, then I send it. So we have all paperwork already done, so the title company can just concentrate on searching the title and closing on the property. And so those are some of the two main methods I use once I get a contract signed. And another aspect to getting a purchase contract is that sometimes you devote all of your time to this one contract. Let's say it's your first deal. You're very stressed about it. You're doing everything you can to close it, which is 100% important. You have to take more time with it because it's money on the line, right? But at the same time, you cannot ignore pushing out your marketing for that week, whether you're doing direct mail, still taking your 2-3 hours a day to do your cold calling, whatever it is, still keep your marketing in place when you're trying to get that deal done. That is very vital and important for the bloodline of your business. And I think I kind of made that mistake for my first deal because I was so excited. I was stressed out. I was just concentrating on this deal, and this deal owning. And I kind of slowed down on my marketing. I didn't push out my mailers for that week. I just ignored other things. And I think it's important, number one, to concentrate more on that thing. I read the one thing by Gary Keller, and he talks about, sometimes when you're concentrating on that one thing, other things get messy. You have to accept that. And so, yes, you won't be perfect in everything else like you used to be because you're trying to concentrate on the most important thing. But keeping your marketing out is so vital for your business. And so if you all get your first deal or get a property under contract, I love to analyze that. Please comment down below. What's your situation? What are you all dealing with right now with your wholesaling business? Do you have a property under contract? Do you know if it's a good price? I'll look it up, see what I can do, or DM me on Instagram at BizMatthew. And I hope you all like this shirt. This will be soon available for you all. Different shirts that I have that says business to business. So I hope you all have a great week. I'll talk to you all later and have a good day.